In this video, I will show you how to easily build your own playable Tetris game using Deepseek AI. Let's get started. First, I will navigate to the Deepseek website in my browser to begin prompting the AI. In the chat box, I will click and enter a prompt asking the AI to write a complete, playable Tetris game. I'll make sure to specify that it should be a single HTML file containing all of the CSS and JavaScript, with responsive design, smooth animations, keyboard controls, a preview panel, and clean visual details. Once the prompt is fully typed, I'll go ahead and click the blue arrow icon on the right side of the chat box to submit the request. Now, we just need to wait a moment as Deepseek begins generating the game. You'll see the code structure appearing on screen, starting with the HTML headers, followed by the CSS styling which outlines the layouts for the game container, grid, and info panels. I'll click on the Run button located at the top right corner of the HTML container to immediately play the game directly inside our chat interface. As the game loads, a preview panel appears on the right displaying the grid, scoring system, current level, line clears, and the upcoming piece. Let's click on the game window to initiate our controls. I'll use the arrow keys to maneuver the falling blocks, shifting them left and right, and rotating them to fit perfectly into the spaces below. You can see the next upcoming blocks appearing on the side menu as I continue playing. When a row is completely filled with blocks, it automatically clears from the grid, and my score updates instantly. You can easily use this built-in runner to test the game, pause, or restart to ensure everything works smoothly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.